Hello everyone and welcome. Today I want to discuss about an incredible tool that can make learning and mastering conditional and loop statements lot easier, that is ChatGPT. We have already used the ChatGPT in our previous module also to understand some of the primary concepts. As we dive deeper into the programming concepts, especially in Python, understanding how to use if-else statements, for loops and while loops effectively is crucial. These structures form the foundation of logic and repetition in any program. But sometimes figuring out how to structure your conditions or loops for a specific problem can feel difficult. This is where ChatGPT can help. Whether you are stuck on a syntax, need an example for a mechanical engineering problem, or want clarification on a complex concept, ChatGPT is essential tool. You can ask for explanations, generate examples, debug your code, and explore advanced use cases also. You may challenge yourself with complex scenarios and let ChatGPT guide you step by step in that manner also. So ChatGPT is not just a source of answers, but it's a companion in your learning journey, helping you think logically and apply concepts to real world problems. So as you work through your conditional and loop statements, don't hesitate to reach out to ChatGPT for assistance. Let's use this powerful tool to make your programming journey smoother, faster, and more engaging. Go through some of the important prompts that may be useful to understand how to provide the prompt to ChatGPT to get the effective answers. So these are list of some of the important prompts that you may use. Again, you may modify this prompt, update this prompt, or provide a new prompt based on your requirements. Let us go to ChatGPT to understand how ChatGPT will provide the answers to our provided prompts. Suppose I want to understand break and continue statement and its use in the context of mechanical engineering. So we may ask the ChatGPT also explain use of break and continue statement in mechanical engineering context using Python. Hit enter. So you may see that it will give you the basic information and the idea where you may use this specific tool. So it has given the information about the break statement, then one example. Same way, the information about the continue statement and the example related to the continue statement. And at last, it has provided the summary. Now, suppose you want to understand the syntax of nested for loop using example. So again, you may provide the same prompt. Explain syntax of nested, let us say while loop with example and hit enter. So here you can see that it has provided the syntax, then example related to the multiplication table, which we have already seen in the context of for loop. Suppose if you want to have the different example, so again you may ask the ChatGPT, please provide different example. So we will ask provide different example in context of mechanical engineering. So here you can see that the ChatGPT is provided the scenario considering the pressure test simulation for the multiple valves. So here it has provided some of the data, calculations, and the explanations for the code and the expected output also. So I hope you got the idea how this tool is very much helpful to gain more knowledge and more insights in depth in important topics of Python. So remember, learning programming is a process, and sometimes we all hit roadblocks, but with tools like ChatGPT, you have a powerful resource at your fingertips. Whether it's refining your code, gaining a better understanding of concepts, or working through challenging examples, ChatGPT can provide the support you need to succeed. The more you practice and experiment, the better you will become at solving complex problems with the knowledge you have in Python. Thank you again, and I wish you the best of luck in the practice of programming. Keep exploring, keep coding, and remember the ChatGPT is always here to assist you.